All right, so we're gonna be drilling for the next exercise, and I wanna go over something that's really important. On now we're gonna start using the chuck, right? As you can see, the chuck has threads on the back, so that's the whole holder, right? So when you can insert in through the quill, and the drop bar is gonna go right there. We're gonna screw it in, and this is gonna be bring all the way up, right? Okay, so now we're gonna use the chuck only when we have drill bits, right? Twist drills, when we're drilling, right? Because if you see the jaws, let's see if I can close this all the way. The jaws of the, that's the wrong way. The jaws of the chuck only support whatever tool is holding on some specific spot, see? So if we add something in here, we're not gonna have enough lateral support, so we can actually use this for cutting laterally, right? However, it works well for when we're drilling, right? So we're gonna use the chuck for the drill bits, right? Twist drills for when we're plunging. And we're gonna use also when we have the edge finder, right? Because the edge finder, we don't have pretty much no lateral stress on the tool. And as you guys used before, why do we use the collet with an end mill? You see how much lateral support we have here. We have pretty much like my tool being surrounded 100% and being held by all the sides. So that's why we can actually cut it laterally, right? But actually, we could actually push it in more like this, because there's no stopper on the end. So we shouldn't be plunging with it. The only plunging that we do is just enough so we can get actually a Z-touch off, okay? So this is just to cover when to use the collet and when to use the chuck on the vertical mill.